Here's how you figure out how many 1/3 cup measures are in 6 cups. So if you have 6 cups, how many of these 1/3 cup measures would you have? What we're really asking is if we have 6 cups and we divide it by 1/3, we're trying to figure out how many times 1/3 goes into 6. That'd tell us how many 1/3 cups there are in 6 cups. So with fractions, instead of division, it's often easier just to multiply. But we have to multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction. That means we take the numerator, put it on the bottom, and the denominator goes up to the top, like this. So the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3. And we're going to multiply 6 times 3 over 1. I like to take the 6, make it a little smaller here, and call that 6 over 1, because 6 divided by 1 is 6, but now everything lines up. So with fractions, we multiply the numerators. 6 times 3 is 18, and then the denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. 18 divided by 1 is 18. So you would need 18 of these 1/3 cup measures to equal 6 cups. So how many 1/3 cup measures makes 6 cups? That's 18 of them. That's it. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.